King, duckling, King.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly Hole. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
King, duckling.
This is Wombat, she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
King, duckling, King, duckling.
Check it out, the hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Sail the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks. Ooh,
Aww.
you guys are awesome. A duck in the dark?
It was a spooky night in a spooky forest.
This is all make-believe, right? 'Cause I'm kinda spooked.
Yes, Pking, it's just a made-up scary story.
Oh, carry on.
I will. Suddenly, they all heard crunch, crunch, crunch.
Someone was eating cereal?
No, it was the sound of heavy footsteps.
Heavy footsteps?
Crunch!
I'm just gonna hide behind you, brave pig.
No problem. Go ahead, Wombat. I don't find your story scary at all.
Then there was a flash of lightning, and they saw him, the bully monster.
Oh!
Relax, guys. It's just me and my mask. Cute, right?
Cute? No. Scary, yes.
I wasn't scared. Much.
Boo!
Ah!
Sorry, I couldn't resist. It's just me.
Hello, Mildred.
What brings you to our backyard?
Well, kids, I need a dog sitter tonight for Paco.
Paco? Your awesome hairless dog?
That's the one. Would you kids mind feeding him for me this evening? I've got yoga class.
We'd love to feed Paco for you.
Wonderful. Paco is at my summer cottage at the end of Creaky Leaky Road.
Gulp.
Here's the key. Paco will be waiting. Dog food is in the kitchen.
We'll take good care of Paco for you, Mildred.
We promise.
Thank you. And now, off to yoga. Camel pose.
Okay.
Come on, let's go feed Paco.
So, this is Creaky Leaky Road.
Sure is creaky.
And leaky.
Look, Mildred's summer cottage.
Not very summery, is it?
Well, let's head up there.
Paco's waiting.
Hold my hand.
Sure. Here we are.
And just in time, my lantern went out.
Gee, I didn't know Mildred's summer cottage would be so dark and scary.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you, Pking?
Me? No. Oh, okay, I admit it. I'm afraid of the dark.
You know, some people carry a stuffed animal when they're afraid of the dark.
Really? I carry this.
Whoa.
It's got big flashlights and small flashlights and... What was that?
I'm not sure.
Me neither.
Well, since no one knows, let's all go home.
Pking, we can't just leave. What about feeding Paco?
Maybe he can order a pizza.
It's raining.
Let's go inside. We're gonna get soaked out here.
Oh, thank you.
Phew, that's a relief.
Why is it not relief that I'm feeling?
Now, where is the light switch? Ah, here it is. Let there be spooky electric candles. Well, at least we can see.